Hi, I'm here from Aunt M's Quilts and M's Scrap Bag, and today I'm going to share a quick, easy trick to combine your scraps so that the fabrics come together beautifully and there's no clashing. This is a simple, easy trick. If you're looking for more fun ways to play with your scraps, make sure you sign up for my complimentary scrap workshop. I'll put a link to that in the description below, and you can save your spot and come and learn more fun ways to use your scraps. Thanks for watching my video. Remember to like and subscribe. All right, let's get started. For this simple trick, you're just going to take a fabric that has lots of different colors in it. Make sure it's a fabric that you like the colors in. And we're just going to take that and then we're going to grab our scrap bins. So there's yellow in this fabric, so I've grabbed my yellow. And I'm just going to start pulling some yellows that go with this. I'm going to go lighter and darker because I don't want everything to be matchy-matchy. Probably not this one because I don't want the pink with that. This one would. So we're just going to kind of see what we like with it. That one's too light. Then we're just going to go to the next color. There's some little blues in here. So I'm grabbing my blue bin and I'm going to do the same thing. I'm just going to pull things that I think look great with it. This is too dark. That is muted. So I'm just going to pull things that I feel like go with that. But I'm not going to be real matchy-matchy. Okay? And we'll do that with each of the colors that we find inside of this print. So we're going to grab some greens, grab our oranges. And that's an easy way to pull fabrics for your scrap quilt. Have everything match, because you like that print. So have fun with that. Remember, if you like this and want to learn more, to sign up for my complimentary workshop on scrap busting. And we'll talk about lots more ways that you can use your scraps. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.